guys, so right here we have the steering wheel, Alcantara. I really love it. Little flat bottom. You have the little carbon with the anodized red. That's sick. Alcantara, red stitching. This reminds me of my sedan. The windows layout. I don't know what this is. The Honda Sensing. Here comes my girl. The carbon. The shift knob feels amazing. The Alcantara shift boot. This is the badge. R, sport, and comfort. So it has comfort, and then you hold R, and then you hold R, and then it goes into that. So we're gonna go get some boba, and then I'm on the way home. We're gonna do the POV like day to day. This shit is brand new, vegan boba. Seats are amazing, dude. So we'll be back. I'll pick it up. Just pop the trunk, eat some tofu, some vegan boba. No,
some deep fried tofu. Vegan boba.
Look at that. Dude, this shit, look at her SI next to it. Fuck, dude. The vents, the fake carbon looks sick. Can you close it? No, I gotta close my hand, huh? Hey, look, the mirrors have a light. So I'll pick it up in the peel. So, putting it on comfort mode. Y'all see it? guys, so I'm gonna pick this shit up when the traffic picks up more. And now, yeah, that's how it is, man. I fucking love it. This is on comfort mode, man. Completely stock. This thing feels menacing. It feels perfect. I'm in love with this, man. So I'll pick it up later.
And now a nigga up 10,000.